Together, both of these companies will combine to become around about $170 billion. That actually means the fourth largest bank in the world. HDFC Bank could actually benefit quite a lot by HDFC Limited customers opening a bank account.
Hi guys, you are watching Grip and we are back with yet another episode of Cut the Noise, where we cut the noise about the latest buzz which is happening in the market. And today we have Raman with us, who will be telling us about HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank merger. So Raman, first of all, welcome.
Thank you so much. So two primarily large companies, one is HDFC Limited and the other is HDFC Bank. HDFC Limited is a housing finance company and used to generally give home loans and stuff to individuals, versus HDFC Bank, which used to do everything else but home loans. So both of these companies are now getting merged together. This is by far the largest merger that we've ever seen, and that means the fourth largest bank in the world. 1 year back is when HDFC twins announced that they will be merging together, and this is just going on from there. And both of these companies combined will have an asset base of around about 18 lakh odd crores, which is huge. This is second to none versus an SBI.
Why this merger is happening? Is there any benefit on operational level?
HDFC Bank used to sell HDFC Limited products whenever somebody wanted a home loan. He's an HDFC Bank customer, they wanted home loans, then they used to connect them with HDFC Limited. So they had two parallel teams, they had two different teams, but HDFC Limited in a standalone basis never used to sell any other products. So if a person who's working at HDFC Limited was only concentrated in selling one particular type of products. Combined together, now obviously the HDFC Limited employees can obviously sell other products of the banks as well, whether it's fixed deposit, mutual funds, any other insurance, etc. So that ways, obviously HDFC Limited employees will get more to do and more products to sell, which is always great for a relationship manager or a bank RM to sell. That's one benefit. The other is around about 70% or maybe give or take 5% here or there of HDFC Limited people who have taken loans from HDFC Limited are actually not HDFC Bank customers. So from an overall perspective, HDFC Bank could actually benefit quite a lot by HDFC Limited customers opening a bank account, by getting other products, etc. So that ways, I think the merger makes a lot more sense. And again, one person, one team leading the entire thing, two different groups of people working together, working in the silos.
How it will impact me as a shareholder?
So whatever impact had to happen has already happened in the stock price. Okay, over the last 1 year since the time the merger was announced, the stock has primarily been underperforming because obviously the merger process was going on. Nobody knew how it will come out, whether CCI will approve. There were a lot of question marks, right? Having said that, at least the overhang on the stock is over. Now the combined entity will, like I said, will have a market cap of $170 odd billion. Mutual funds which combined together, or large investors, the combined entity, they will now see how much holding that they have for the both the entities and take a call accordingly.
So we as a consumer have a lot of money in HDFC Bank. So is it going to impact us?
To be honest, as a customer of the bank, you don't have to be worried about anything. The thing is that HDFC Bank or Limited, both on a standalone basis were very strong as is. Now on a combined basis, they'll be stronger. Okay, so as a customer of the bank, or whether you are a depositor, whether you have FDs, whether you have savings account, or you've taken a loan from the bank or from HDFC Limited, everything remains at parity. Nothing changes for you, and you continue to enjoy whatever it is when it comes to your relationship with the bank is.
Shareholders pay, there is no effect.
Nothing.
Consumers pay, there is no effect.
No effect.
Why people are so worried about this merger, and why
I don't know why people are worried about it, but people, it's a good thing that has happened on a corporate action front. It's one of the largest mergers, like I said. I don't think there's anything to be worried about. So just to conclude, this merger is actually a good thing that is happening. It's one of the largest mergers that I told you about, but at the end of the day, the combined entity will be stronger than ever. And as a customer of the bank, or as a loan taker from the bank, one should not be worried about anything, and one should be happy that something like this is happening in the corporate world.
Thank you so much, Raman, for clearing this doubt which was going in my mind also, like what will happen about this merger, HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank. So I hope guys this also cleared the doubts which were going in your mind. If you have any questions, any doubts, drop in your comments in the comment box below and we'll try to answer all the questions which you have. With that, you know the drill, right? Like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, get a grip on your money and go beyond.